The time has come. Our Abom79 drill index is nearly ready to ship out and start selling to everyone. We're almost there. We have a couple of little details that we're still working on, but they're just about ready, and we are very excited to announce that when they're going to be available for sale on our new website. But to get things started, we want to give away 2 of our drill indexes. One drill index is going to include a set of the style 157 drills, and the other one is the style 2001 drills. Both sets of drills were generously provided by Greenfield Industries for this giveaway, so thank you Greenfield for the drills. And both of these sets are drills that I use here in the shop. A lot of the videos that you've seen, especially the manual machining, are these drills right here. So I highly recommend them. They're made in Seneca, South Carolina, and they're high quality cutters. So the 2 drill indexes that we have here that we're going to be giving away is, they're both serial numbered. This one here with the style 157 is going to be serial number 79. And this guy here with the style 2001 drills, this is serial number 11. Now, what I wanted to mention was these are a couple of the samples that we had sent up to the anodizer to try out the clear anodizing. So you can see the finish. It has a little bit of a silvery type finish on it, but this is the machined finish on the drill index here with a clear coat anodized over the top of it. After we had a few of these samples anodized with the clear, we also had some of the color. We had an OD olive drab green done, and we had a red done, and we actually like the way the color looks better on our drill indexes. So the production models that we're going to be selling are actually going to be either green or red once we get to that point. But we had a few of these samples, tested for us, so we're using these guys for the giveaway. So these are going to be very limited edition. The first 10 of them, should I say, are going to be, or should I say, actually it was 12. We had 12 of them done because we picked out number 79, and of course we went with 11 too. We're really excited for this giveaway, and this is going to be over on our Abom79 website. So if you go to the website, there's going to be a link there that you can click on, and you're going to have to give your name and email address. And we're going to run this for 2 weeks. So it's going to start on October 17th, and it's going to run for 2 weeks, and it's going to end on October 31st. At that time, we're going to randomly select 2 winners for the drill index. And once we have those winners, we'll announce who the winners are, and then we will get these guys packaged up and sent out to you. So head over to the website and enter. This is going to be for the US only, so I apologize to everybody that's abroad. We are still working on how to get our business set up with international shipping in a way that makes sense to us. This is all new to us, and we're trying to get this all figured out. Everything that we're doing here with manufacturing a product and then having to package it up, send it out for things like anodizing, and then package it up and then mailing it out. This is all new to us, and we're getting it figured out. And we do hope that we can offer some international shipping down the road once we get to our production models that we can offer everyone out there. But for now, the giveaway is going to be for US only. So I apologize to you guys out there. I know a lot of people are excited and waiting for these, but just please bear with us, and we're going to get it figured out, and we're going to have these available pretty soon to everyone out there. So go to the website, enter for your chance to win, and we are excited to get these out to a couple lucky recipients out there. All right, so I want to thank everyone for your constant support. This has been a really fun journey, learning and leaning into modern machining, CNC machining, and manufacturing, and being able to develop a product like this and be able to offer it for sale to all of our viewers and supporters out there. All right, so good luck to everyone, and thank you again for all your support, and we're looking forward to announcing the winners of these 2 drill indexes.